Hi, and welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. I'm Beryl.
And I'm Addison.
And tonight we're making a super shrimp dish all in this one pan, and it's called a creamy garlic shrimp. And before we get started, let me remind you, please press that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you'll know when the next video is available. So let's get started cooking. You ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
I got the pan on a medium heat, 2 tablespoons of butter. Could you get me some olive oil in here?
Yeah.
You want me to hold it for you?
Pour it in.
So about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And we're gonna let this heat up. So I've got a cup, not yet. I have a cup of diced onions. Whew, that smells. Okay, so we got that. We've got some lime here. I'm gonna get you to juice the lime.
Right now?
And I got some garlic. And we have some fresh asparagus. We're gonna mix that up in here too. Our oil and butter is good and hot. Woo! Yes, it is. Putting in our onion. Let me get this little bit out. We got that. Okay. I'm gonna saute these for a minute till they get translucent. Won't take long at all. So it's time to mince some garlic. So I'm gonna put a pot in here and give it a press. Okay. Got another one.
Do you want to try? Just gonna let that sit for a little while.
It has a little scraper. Beep. My Papa thinks it's a Barbie brush. He almost threw it away.
Of course he would.
Of course he would.
It just gets stuck.
Because that wasn't how you do it. You do it with the flat part.
Oh.
You brush your eyebrows with the other end if you want them to smell like garlic.
Bruh.
Do one more, and that's all for that. So now we're ready to put in our asparagus.
Hey, how much do you think we need?
All of it.
All of it?
Yes. Ow! Don't throw it on me. Thank you.
Here. How much do we need?
Just sprinkle. And then you can throw in your lime juice.
Gonna sprinkle in some salt.
Yep.
I think that's about good.
Yep, that's good. Let's get that lime juice in there. It just pours the other way.
Oh, I knew that.
There's a spout right there.
Why does it actually taste good though?
It's good lime.
I feel like this asparagus is way too good, but it's okay.
It's just gonna take
It's gonna take a few minutes?
just like 2 minutes.
No. You wanna go back with your brothers and sisters?
Toss them in the pot.
Okay, so we have 1 pound of large shrimp. These were fresh, and I peeled and deveined them, but I didn't butterfly them. We've had some other episodes where we butterflied them. These were not, so they'll stick together. So, now don't dump it. No, just lightly put it in there. There you go. That's how you do it. Now stir your shrimp around. I'm gonna get a little bit of salt for the shrimp. Just sprinkle like you did. That's
I
good.
think that's good.
Mm-hmm. And this one? That's a garlic and herb mix. Very good. I like to make chip dip with it.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Give me all this stuff. Okay, so stir that around. I'm going to give you another stick of butter. We need butter. Butter for life.
And no raw shrimp. Make my stuff well done.
I can smell them.
Action, Jackson.
Okay, so now I've pushed the shrimp and asparagus off to the side. And I need Addison to put in this 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm just gonna incorporate it into this yummy butter. Thank you. And behind us, we are cooking some angel hair pasta, but you could serve it, just sprinkle it in here. We're using angel hair tonight, but other people use linguine or fettuccine, or you just use whatever you have or whatever you like.
I'm just sprinkling in some of this cheese.
That is Romano cheese.
You got enough of that Parmesan in there? Just asking for a friend.
Just asking. Like Papa would dump it, but I don't want to dump it.
Yeah. Because you don't, it might be too much.
One more good spoon like that.
Oh, my bad. Let's put a little more.
All right, we getting thick. I'm gonna turn this burner off while we wait for the noodles. They'll just take like 2 minutes. One
fine.
tiny spoon, like that's gonna make a difference.
It is. Every step counts.
See, I told you, there's the buzzer.
What's that?
The buzzer. That's
Goes on that?
for the noodles.
Oh, can I have a noodle? I like just having
Will you be the tester?
this in my mouth.
Give me this. Stop.
I like noodles.
Go get you a bowl of them then.
In a minute. All right. Papa, I think you're going to like this.
I think so too.
Plenty shrimp. Pretty shrimp. For a little color, Addison got some tomatoes out the garden and diced them. So I just want you to sprinkle a few on there, just for some color.
Don't want it to be too plain.
Don't want it to be plain. And can you get us some green onions and do the same thing? Uh-huh. Just sprinkle a little bit. Not that much. There you go. Woo! That's looking good. And I actually forgot, but I was going to put that yellow squash in there, and it really would have had all kinds of color going on here.
You can if you want.
We'll do it tomorrow. Okay, folks. We have made a creamy garlic shrimp pasta, and it is awesome. I can't wait to eat it.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that ring notification. And don't forget to get the cooking book.
The cooking book. We have a cookbook. It's called Cajun Cooking Made Easy. And if you want to see more videos with Addison, just go to our channel. The link's below in the description, along with a link to our cookbook. See ya.
Bye.
Peace out. How is it, Mike?
Pretty good.
Scale of 1 to 10.
If you like this sort of thing, it's definitely a 10.
Okay, yellow birds, we ready to start.
Okay, time to start. Quiet on the set.
Quit peeping.
Hello.
Is it running?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you?
Yes.
I don't think you are.
Shut up.
Make me.
Wait. You say your name. I'm just gonna say mine. Okay. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. And cuts.
Cuts. Production concluded.